GSRT is currently trending. This is Thursday, the 9th of October 2025. Intraday high in the post market session of yesterday, the 8th, is 16.32 dollars. It closed that session with a gain of 21.21%. So, this is its daily chart. So, it's currently trending. Let's listen to what's going on with the stock.
GSRT is trending as traders and investors zero in on its upcoming merger with Terra Innovatum, a developer of micro-modular nuclear reactors designed to deliver scalable, clean energy for the modern grid. A major point of focus is the potential ticker change to NKLR, which many view as a rebranding moment that could attract institutional and retail attention. Community discussions are increasingly centered on the merger timeline, with speculation that momentum could build as the deal moves closer to closing in the second half of 2025. Traders are actively comparing GSRT's valuation to other nuclear peers, particularly OKLO, noting that GSRT may be undervalued relative to its clean energy potential. Adding fuel to the buzz, trading volume and options activity have surged, signaling growing investor interest. Many see GSRT as a strategic play on the intersection of nuclear innovation and the AI driven energy demand boom, as data centers and electrification push the limits of current power infrastructure. For some, this setup also hints at a potential short squeeze scenario if momentum continues to build. Overall, sentiment remains bullish, with many anticipating a major re-rating once the merger is finalized and the NKLR ticker goes live.
Okay, so this current expansion began exactly 1 week ago, Friday the 3rd of October, so it has expanded massively it has over doubled, like you could say 100% gain or thereabout, close to that, then it was at 9.84. Okay, at some point, the 10 period moving average served as a primary demand line. However, this strength is expected to remain in place at least an hour and a half before today's trading session resumes. Then we may have a pullback that may stop by the pre-market session of tomorrow the 10th, and then after that the uptrend may resume. No guarantee that this will be the case. The price pressure momentums, they measure the angle of attacks of the various moving averages. So we have 10 and 21, 40 and 200. So the angle of attacks here are robustly trending. Nothing here is negative at all. Nothing here is negative. We have been able to break down the data using Claude, and we have it set up here, a trade setup. Well, this is a short setup between 1 to 5 days horizon. This is not a recommendation that you should apply it. If you apply it, you may run into losses. So I would advise you not to apply it. Just make the most of what you can. But it's not a recommendation that you apply it. So this will be what short sellers may be considering. This first scenario. This is what they'll be considering. If you find this in the description box below. So this will now be a scenario where the momentum continues. Okay, and then this is a long-term setup. Okay, so entry zone will be if it pulls back to 12.25 to 12.95. 80% probability of testing within 20 seconds. Okay, yeah. Then we have further decline towards 10.6 to 11.36 zone, and also further decline towards 9.3 to $10 zone. Okay, so your targets will be conservative target will be 16 to $18 price target. I think it has already printed 16.32 already. So what is it saying there in terms of probability? 55% probability that it may retest that as well. You can see 19 to $22, 35% probability, 24 plus dollars, 15% probability. Okay, so risk factors: parabolic collapse risk high, 60% plus percent. Okay, and volatility crush, options volumes, options premiums will collapse. Avoid long premium strategies. Okay, and much more. Recommended approach for active traders: short-term reversion trade. Scenario A offers best risk reward with 70% probability edge and much more. You'll find all of this in the description box below. Yeah, that's what's going on right now. And if there are any changes, I will try and update you. So see what you make of GSRT. And thank you very much for watching this video.